headed back out to do a little bird hunt. It was just snowing a second ago. It's 36 degrees out. There are some very small flakes in the air now, but the sun has been popping out every once in a while. The colors are beautiful, and hopefully the birds are out and about trying to catch a little bit of sun when it peaks out. So we're going to go do a little bird hunting and see if we can't get lucky. Stay tuned.
Camera's on fire.
So not everybody gets a chance to see the beautiful colors in the fall. So I think I'm just going to record for a fair amount here as I'm driving and let you guys just kind of enjoy the scenery. But I'm going to jam the tunes, so I'm going to have to mute this section of the video. Music's coming back. Alrighty. Colors are gorgeous. The leaves are coming down. There was a truck behind me. Let's hope he kept going and didn't turn where I did. Oh, it's snowing right now. See the flakes hitting the windshield, melting right away. Not a fan of the snow. Now we try to sneak up on the birds. Woods are beautiful right now. Absolutely gorgeous. we see anything. Fuck, I didn't record the shot. I got it on my GoPro though. What a dingleberry. Let's go get it. Alrighty, well, it's not a partridge, but it's a woodcock. So they are just as delicious and edible as a partridge. They're just a little bit smaller. I didn't record the shot on my scope, and I apologize. I rushed it a little bit, but I'm hoping my GoPro is still recording. So this is a woodcock. Okay, and you can tell by his gigantic beak. Should have been a good clean headshot. I don't know if any of that came across in the recording. Like I said, it's a smaller bird. It's not huge, but it is absolutely delicious. These are delicious birds. They taste just like a partridge, but maybe a little gamier, but very much delicious. So, and thank the Lord for this delicious bounty. We're gonna eat him and he's not gonna get wasted. All right, 100%. I can tell you right now, I was not expecting this. Not expecting to get a woodcock, but I'll take it. Times are tough, man. We gotta eat. Good job, Armada. I don't know if any of that came across. And like I said, I don't even know if I shut the scope off, to be honest with you. I know I shut the recording that I made off. Can't believe I forgot to turn the recording on. Oh, I shut it off. Obviously you need to get a few of these to make a delicious meal, but this will still be quite delicious. Still recording? Looks like it. Ha ha ha! Got a woodcock, first for the year. One partridge and one woodcock with the Armada. Alright. If you can see it, there's a deer back there. But we're not here for him. Oh, red squirrel.
another woodcock. I don't know if I'm gonna get him though, because he was pretty spooked. But we'll try. Starting the recording now, hopefully. Well, that was him, but I didn't see where he flew to. But as you can see, their camouflage is good. I hear him. I didn't see where he landed. I'm gonna go check the video from the car and see if I can see where he landed. I saw a stump in there that looked like a bird, and instead of watching where the woodcock flew, I was watching where the stump. Oh, there's no way that camera's gonna catch where he went. All right, well, I don't think we'll see him again. It was worth a try though. Just gonna leave the scope on though, just in case. I tried to pull my car up off to the side of the road in case anybody came around the corner here. I wasn't blocking it. Alrighty, well, it was a great day today. Nice little day to get out and hunt. Got to see the snow coming down. Got a woodcock. Saw a second one, but it was pretty spooked. Didn't let me get close enough to really see it and get a shot at it. And as it flew away, I saw something in the woods that looked like it might be a partridge, so I wasn't really paying attention to where the woodcock flew. Fortunately, what I thought might be a partridge turned out to be a stump. Partridge-shaped stump. So I didn't see where the second woodcock landed. And honestly, after he had been spooked twice, there really wasn't much sense in trying to sneak up on him because he was very wise that I was there. So lucky enough, I got the first one, man. I'm pretty happy with that. Not a lot to eat, but I'll probably fry that baby up tonight. Have a delicious little tender snack. But it is absolutely beautiful out right now. The sun is coming through the trees. The colors are amazing. Figure we'll spend the last couple minutes of the video here just letting you enjoy the view. Just want to say thank you for everybody that's joined, watched this far. Hopefully we can get back out, get some more shooting done, get some more hunting done, and maybe get some more eating done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. On to the next adventure, guys. Also, the radio station died. We're listening to the Static Brothers. Wonder if they can copyright me for that. for anyone wondering what the woodcock breast looks like, this is it. It's a dark meat, and it's quite a bit smaller than the partridge, but it is absolutely just as delicious. Super lean too. There's a little bit of fat on this, but right on the edges. But there it is.